All right, let's continue. So we already got this like going up, but yeah, in order to actually draw the railing, the leg need to like touch the ground. Okay, and that is exactly what I'm going to do. So yeah, let's get started. Um, right now, I think it's we got like a two frame right now. But yeah. So right now this is all leg that's like going up. So I think I can like duplicate this layer and make it run 3, and we're going to make this like that going down. So well, first I'm going to hide this and add a new frame. Okay, so basically these two frames are the same, but it will not be the same once I like change it. So I can just decrease opacity as a rough reference right now, and select this layer to do the editing. So right now I think the leg part right is here, but they need to go down. So what I'm going to do is to select area here, and I'm going to Command and T, and then I'm going to rotate this. Okay, hopefully that will do, and make it might be bigger. Okay, approximately something like this, and then you have to like do the manual work. Okay, so I'm going to hide this so I can see things clearly, and then eraser, and I'm going to fine tuning this because I'm just like streamline this going down and move forward, and maybe here this is definitely like too much, so I'm going to erase all that. Okay, and then I can select a specific color here just to add a something. The boots is mainly like black, so I think it's good for me to use black. This is like too straight. You can add some parts of variation by using a like really dark blue and make it like stand out a bit. Stand out just a few pixels out. Now we do. Yeah, that looks pretty good. And the leg here, I'm thinking, you know, maybe thinks this is like a stop on the floor. Okay, so it's like going down. While we're going down, everything like will be pushed up a little bit. So what I'm going to do is to select area here, and first I'm going to rotate, then I'm going to push it. First, so let's just rotate this. Okay, let's rotate here and move it up, maybe here. Okay, so yeah, perfect. I think I don't need to like change a lot. Okay, it's already pretty perfect, already pretty good. It's not perfect per se, but it's already pretty good. I think this is going down. This area here can be changed by like push up a little bit, and eyedropper just going up just tiny a little bit. Okay, just like you're going down, and all this like the closest dress will go up. And here I can, this area can like a further go up just tiny a little bit, maybe a little bit darkness to get much more like a layered thing, just add a little bit shadowy area. Okay, that looks pretty good. And things is like going just whole body going down a little bit. I'm going to move the hair a little bit, so hopefully I can make it like okay. The hand movement also need to change. So yeah, 2 step. first I'm going to get hold of the sword part, right? So approximately here and here, the two part, things is like going down, so need to be bring down a little bit, but also I want it to like rotate even more, and then going up a tiny little bit. Okay, so like this. Okay, and deselect, and then you can feel the rest. Right now, I think I'm going to adding like a tiny little here, here, and here. And the outline I think is a little bit weird, so I have to do this manually by adding this outline of the sword. And what's inside is a little bit weird, so I have to like feel what's inside. Okay, oh, this is like a little bit curved. Let me squint a little bit. Okay, of course the area here can also be added a little bit, maybe a little bit here. Okay, and here maybe not so much. Okay, and the hair part need to go up a little bit, so I'm going to add some drastic waving up of the hair. Okay, like something like this. Okay, and this part I think I can maybe I can move the arm to make it like disappear. So here, eraser. Just erase this part. Okay, and I'm going to use a darker bluish color just to make it like more curved. Okay, and maybe just erase a part to erase the curve inside part. Yeah, this is a little bit too thin. Maybe just a tiny scratch. Okay. Still add a little bit of variation, and a little bit of variation here. Okay. The leg is a little bit weird. Let me add something more just to heal. Okay. Yeah, and the here we need definitely to deal with this. The darker here part need to, add a little bit shadowy area. Okay, I have no idea what it will look like, but just trust the process, and I trust the process, and I believe this will be great. Okay, just add a tiny little pixel here and there. Okay. Yeah. So the third frame we're here, and let's squint it and look at the result. Okay, I'm going to stop this. So let's delete this. L1 here. Okay, the first definitely not good. Yeah, let's just delete here the first one. Yeah, then delete the second one, then add the third one. Okay, let's try this. Okay, the belt seems not moving. The belt is moving, not moving. Okay. Okay, first the belt is not moving, and the chest is not moving. Okay, so that's what I'm going to modify. Let's just pause this. Just to add a little bit of variation, right? So first frame we don't need to add variation. The second frame, that's where I need to, things. This is like going up. Okay, so yeah, I find the problem. So this is like going up. So this should like going up a tiny little bit, or this is like going. Okay, going up. Like it going down a little bit. Okay, I'm going to make it going down a little bit. Just using brush to make it down a tiny little bit. Maybe use some of the color because like she's moving up, so maybe add some here and here. Just screw it a little bit. And the second frame is going down, so she's moving up, so it should go down. She's moving down, so it should go up. Okay, whether to go up, yeah, do go up a tiny little bit, and then she's like a stump on the ground. So this should just add some of the variation. Sometimes it will just look great. Okay, that's exactly what I'm going to do. Add some variation. Just add a little bit of variation, as well as the pixel color in between. Okay, because we got like a really good eye for. Okay, this going up, so the chest area should going down. So let me modify this as well. Going down should be more down. Okay, then second, so it's going down, so the chest should going up, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. So going up. Okay, and then here is already on the ground, so it should return to the neutral position. Okay, let's try this again. So let's see. Okay, so the arm part, this right arm part is seems a little bit unnatural. The leg looks pretty good. So the arm, yeah, let's deal with the arm. Let's first stop the animation. Go to the arm, and it's definitely not okay. So I'm going to rotate this by. I'm going to get all this selected and rotate just to make a curve a little bit inside, maybe something like this. Okay, I'm going to move it, like cover some part of the face, so give her a little bit like a more 3D-ish look. Maybe here, and I will fill the blank. And remember, if you look at the adjustments, you can obviously see the algorithm doing its work. Okay, so it's a kind of like using the average algorithm, and yeah. Yeah, and the sword part need to rebrand a little bit by connecting area here. Yeah, I feel that I constantly need to like a squint in order to find the like the big picture. Right, so yeah, if you're like feeling a little bit not okay with the pixel art, just remember that you can always like make it smaller and see how much that you have achieved. Let's see the result. Okay, let's see the result. So jump up, okay, and this should like swing more back, and then going down. Yeah, that looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. So basically, if you want like complete or running animation, you should draw 6 frames, but I already draw 3. And if you want to, fake it, you can draw 1 variation and then go back to 2 and 1. Okay. All right. It already looks pretty good. I adjust the frame duration to 0.1, so it's got like more like streamlined. Yeah, so the next video, yeah, I think this is like a very important running animation. I think I'm going to do like the 6 different frame just for the practice, and yeah, so yeah, see you next video. Bye.